Let's check MI Sports Bluetooth Earphones Basic. Hey, what's up? This is Anil from Red and Graphics. Let's review a Bluetooth earphone from Xiaomi. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon for future updates. Xiaomi is known for their budget-friendly quality products. They launched this earphone for 1500 Indian rupees. Let's check what's inside this small, nice-looking box. Earphones are packed in a compact box. Let's see what's inside this orange-colored box. On the top, there is a documentation stuff and a user manual. Here is the micro USB charging cable. This small packet has different size silicone earbuds and a tiny cable manager. Here comes the main unit. Earbuds are big in size and have ear locks attached to it. This is inline remote with 3 buttons and microphone. It has micro USB port on the side for charging purpose. These earphones include total 5 pairs of silicone earbuds for the better sealing that can be used as per your ear size. Let's check the specifications of these earphones. These earphones have Bluetooth version 4.1 and have a battery life of approx 9 hours along with 2 hours charging time. Now let's dive deeper into the device. Its build quality is good, however, it is completely made up of plastic. Wire seems to be durable and buttons are tactile. It has a nicely sealed micro USB port as it is IPX4 rated, which means it is splash proof. Earphones are pretty comfortable, however, it can pain your outer ears if used for longer intervals. The weight of the earphone is not that much that can make them uncomfortable. Moreover, the earphone holders give them an extra edge to hold them better in the ears. If I talk about the sound quality of this earphone, it is an above average sounding earphone. However, the sound quality cannot be complained at this price point. If I talk about the call quality of this earphone, I must say it's average. Battery life of this earphone is pretty good as it's more than 7.5 hours depending on the usage. Moreover, the charging time of less than 2 hours makes them better Bluetooth earphones. You can access the voice assistant of your phone by double pressing the middle button. Apart from that, the earphone can be connected to 2 separate devices and manage call operations like switching calls between 2 separate phones. The device can also be factory reset by pressing and holding middle button while charging. Factory reset will be confirmed by alternating red and white blinking indicator light. In a nutshell, this is an average sounding but a nice looking pair of earphones. Good build quality and battery life makes it a better option among all other entry-level Bluetooth earphones. That's all about it. I would appreciate your comments. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one.